I can't take it anymore.
I can't take it anymore!
I can't take it anymore.
I can't take it anymore.
Okay, that's it. I can't take it anymore.
What? What? He's interested in you.
I'm sorry.
No, it's just so frustrating. I can't take it anymore.
You gotta make it stop. I can't take it anymore.
I can't take it anymore. It's all too much.
No. I can't take it anymore. Okay? It's not singing, it's screaming.
I love him, but I can't take it anymore.
I know. It's very difficult. Carlos, why are you calling me? I told you we can't be seen together.
I can't take it anymore. We gotta go to the cops.
I can't take it anymore. I have written about every single theory. Repeat.
Mars, I can't take it anymore.
Let me help.
I'm gonna join a gang, get a face tattoo.
I'm gonna sell my hair for nose drugs.
No, okay, stop. I can't take it anymore.
You got Island Towers, I got Coney Island. Why don't we just call it quits, okay? I can't take it anymore.
What, are you serious?
Yes.
No more! I can't take it anymore. Please.
I can't take it anymore!